Quality. Here is another parameter related to output image appearance. You may find it confusing and has a conflict with DPI parameter that we have just explained. But the answer is negative. This parameter is applicable only when we have to save our chart as JPG or JPEG format. Those extensions are special because JPEG images use a lossy compression algorithm. Every time JPEG image is opened, edited, or saved again, it results in additional image degradation. This algorithm trades quality for compression, so a low quality image results in a smaller JPEG file, and a high quality image generates a relatively large file. This is different from lossless image formats such as PNG, PMP, and PPM, where the quality never degrades. The amount of JPEG compression is typically measured as a percentage of the quality level. An image at 100% quality has almost no loss. On the other hand, 1% quality is a very low quality image. In general, quality levels of 90% or higher are considered as high quality. 80 to 90% is medium quality, and 7 to 80% is small quality. Anything below 70% is typically a very low quality image. Going back to our parameter quality, it accepts integer from 1 as 1%, that represents the worst, to 95, which of course means 95%, or the best possible quality. Values above 95 is acceptable by Matplotlib as well, but you should avoid using them, as quality more than 95 results in large file with almost no gain in the image quality. The default value is 95, which is taken from RC params savefig to JPG quality.